Where's my cup? Where's my cup? There's a heart in the garden. There's a hurt in the garden. She's trace on the road. She's trust on the rocks. There's burn honest. There's burn honest. She's got a bag. She got a book. My uncle were angels. My uncle were angels. Lunch. Just much. One. Love. Cousin. Dozen. Funny. Rubbish. Enough. Angel. Shut up. Unhappy. Understand. Uncharted. Worry. Lovely. Honey. Rather. Other. Nothing. Company. Wonderful. Month. Does. She doesn't love him. Honey, why you so sad? Duncan says nothing. Honey, why are you so unhappy? I don't understand. You don't love me, just me. But Duncan, I love you very much. Just Angel, just me. You love my cousin, Justin? No, his brother. This place? No, stop being funny, Jasmine, not that one. The other brother, Hunter. You think he's lovely, and I'm a energetic. Duncan, that's a third raspis. And Hunter loves you too. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. Duncan, that one last month I had lunch with Hunter. You must worry. I like your company much better than Hunter's. Hunter's. Oh, just shut up, Jasmine. But honey, I think you are wonderful. Oh, shut up, Jasmine. No, that is Ines. You are just jealous, Duncan. You shut up.